Today we have this beautiful Poppy Red 64.5 Mustang convertible here in our studio. Now the cool thing about this car, it's actually being given away. AMBEST has teamed up with Lucas Oil to give this car away to one lucky member of their AMBEST program. Now AMBEST is a member-owned nationwide network of truck stops and service centers, and being that CJ's is so close to 81, we have a ton of locations in the area. So we heard this car is going to be coming by, figured it was a perfect opportunity to bring it in here and throw some new parts on it. Now, as you can see, overall, this is a really beautiful, very original car. Now, it was restored at one point, probably back in the 80s, but it's still a nice, solid, perfect driver, and somebody's gonna be really happy to have this car in their garage. A few things we'll be looking at today: we're gonna replace the grille since it's seen some damage over the years. We're gonna freshen up some of the lighting, do a little bit of work on the interior, just make the car look a little bit fresher for its new lucky owner. I'm going to start off under the hood here and replace the grille, which has definitely seen better days, and also throw some new parking light lenses on. Brendan's going to jump inside, replace the bezel, and upgrade to some LED lighting. Just swapping out a few parts has this Poppy Red convertible looking better than ever. We want to thank AMBEST for bringing this car out to us, and if you're not part of their AMBEST program, you definitely want to sign up. Someone's going to win a really nice 64.5 Mustang convertible.